In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find settings in Lark. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click to open the settings panel so you can customize your experience with confidence. Start by opening the Lark app on your computer. We'll be working in the desktop application, so make sure you're in the Lark window rather than a web browser tab. Give the app a moment to load fully so all interface elements appear. If the window looks compact, you can maximize it to make the navigation easier to spot. Now look for your profile picture or avatar. Depending on your version of Lark and your screen size, this icon is usually at either the top left or the top right of the window. It might show your photo, your initials in a small circle, or a simple placeholder silhouette if you haven't uploaded an image. Hovering your mouse over it can help confirm you found the right spot. Once you see the avatar, click it to open a quick menu. Inside that menu, locate the option labeled Settings, or look for the small gear icon. The word and the gear mean the same thing here, so either one will take you to the same place. Go ahead and click it. As soon as you do, the settings panel will open. Depending on your device, this may slide in as a side panel or open as a separate window. You're now in the right place. From here, you can browse through categories to adjust how Lark behaves and looks. You'll typically see sections for notifications, audio and video, language, appearance, and shortcuts, among others. Many versions also include a search field at the top of the panel, which is a quick way to jump to the exact option you need. Most changes save automatically when you toggle a switch or pick a new option, and you can exit the panel at any time to return to your chats and meetings. If the panel includes a close or X button, use that to dismiss it. Otherwise, clicking outside the panel will usually bring you back to your main workspace. To recap, the path is simple. Open Lark on your computer, click your profile avatar at the top corner, and choose Settings, identified by the gear icon. That's all you need to reliably access the settings panel whenever you want to fine-tune your notifications, video and audio preferences, or overall appearance. Thanks for watching, and now that you know exactly where settings lives, you'll be able to tailor Lark to fit the way you work.